everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the touchpad in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices when it's not working. So without further ado, let's get started, and please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Device Manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to Device Manager options. And once you do that, you will see the Device Manager window coming up on your screen. So here we need to look for mice and other pointing devices, this one. So once you see that, please click on that and then click this arrow here to expand the mice and other pointing devices option. And once you see your driver here, please click on that and then just make a right click on it and then click on update driver. And then once you do that, you will be asked, how do you want to search for drivers? So please click on the first option that says search automatically for drivers. And then once you get the notification that says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. And see if the touchpad is now working or not. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to human interface device. So let us look for this one, human interface devices. So once you see this one, again, expand this by clicking this arrow here and look for any option that says touchpad. This one, HID compliant touchpad. So if you see touchpad option, all you need to do is just to make a right click on it and then click on update driver. And then again, we will be asked in the same window, how do you want to search for drivers? So just please click on the first option, and then if it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just try to see if it's now working. And if it's still not working, then let me just close this window here and again make a right click on it and then click on update driver. And now we need to select for the second option that says browse my computer for drivers. So here, select your C drive to search for drivers in this location. And if your C drive is not selected by default, then just click on this drop down arrow here or click on this browse button here. And then once done, just click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So here you need to select for the model that you want to be installed. So for example, this one or this one, just select one, and then once you have now selected, please click on next and then see if the problem is now fixed. And if it's still not working, then all we can do is to uninstall this driver. So please click or make a right click on it again and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. And please make sure that if you have seen a box option here that asks for a check mark, please don't select it, leave it unselected and then proceed with pressing uninstall button. And then once done, go to action tab, and here we need to click on scan for hardware changes, and then you will now be able to see the driver will be installed again. So the next thing we need to do is to go make a quick restart with your device and see if the touchpad is now working. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.